Okay, Randy's gonna try the best hole we found so far. Well, there's better ones, but for our venture. Oh hell yeah! Come on, baby, go, 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 go. That's right. Don't let off for her, son.
What the hell was that?
I think it broke an axle.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Here's Randy in a mud old group, 2-wheel drive playing. Put in reverse! Hey! Try to back up far as you can. Try to back up far as you can. Hey! Broken axle. Randy Litton stuck in a mud hole. 2-wheel drive because he broke his axle. Hey! Pull down there and pull him out. I done was ahead of you.